Pandanbread! It matches your shirt, Alexandra. Wow! Good job.
Our ube bread turned pandan bread. Here is the recipe you can follow.
Turn
Turn up first. What are we making today?
Yeah, I'm making bread.
Ah, who is that bread for?
It's for Lolo.
You're so sweet. Okay, what did we put?
And we got put
Milky. Okay.
all soft.
All soft. Okay. Is it gonna be yummy bread?
You're going to do this one. The nut float.
The nut what?
The nut float. Now I put the egg.
Okay, the next one is egg.
Yes.
Okay, let's wait. Okay, what's next?
Are we going to put that with that bowl?
Okay, what is it?
It is egg.
How much egg?
1, 2.
Good job. Careful. Perfect. Good job. And then,
And that one.
and more butter.
And more butter. There!
Good job. Tell me what's going on.
It is with that egg and the butter. I'm mixing together.
You're mixing together. Good job. You like to bake? Yeah? How did you learn how to bake?
Because I can do that
Who taught you how to bake?
Me.
Just you?
Yeah.
Did you watch YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Or Nana taught you?
Now I do cutting.
Ah, really? Nana showed you how? Okay. How long is it gonna go?
It's going to be very fast.
Very fast.
Now I don't use it. This one egg. It's one. So put something in there.
Salt, Sam.
I'll do
Salt.
that. I'll do that.
Okay. Careful, careful.
There.
Oh, that's what? What is that? What do you call that?
There is sugar.
No, that's salt.
No.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
What happened?
Nothing. That's a little one. See,
Let me see.
that's little.
You got dirty?
No, that is little.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Is that purple? It's ube. It's ube.
Ube.
Ube flavor. That's gonna be yummy.
But now I'm going to put. Now I'm going to put couple ube. Then put it. Wow.
How is it looking?
It's good.
Good. Okay.
Now I'm going to use that one. Now, maybe use that one. Now I want to use that one. Then hold it, please.
And then I hold it. There you go. Let's see. How much is that?
It's all. I'll do that. Wow, it's green.
What green? That's pandan. Pandanbread. It matches your shirt, Alexandra.
Baby Nanay.
Silly nanay. That's so funny.
It's silly Nanay. Don't use that.
Silly nanay. That's okay. That's pretty too.
Yeah. It's lovely. But Nanay was the bluebird.
Huh?
Nanay was the bluebird there.
Nanay did not read. Now our red is green. Nanay's so silly, huh? What does the ingredient say?
It's a bluebird.
Blue?
Bluebird.
Blue bread?
No, purple. It's a purple. Purple bluebird.
Purple blue bread. What did Nanay do, Alex? Can you tell them what happened?
That's a good yum yum.
That's a good yum yum. Silver green bread. But it smells good. Do you smell it?
Ah, that's so yummy.
Yeah. Ube bread turned into an avocado-looking bread.
Wow, what you very fast.
Going very fast. We're now gonna wait for it to rise. How many hours?
1.
1 hour. Okay. And we'll be right back. Wash your hands.
Your hands.
Malalaking muna
Ayan, help na.
kapal to.
Avocado.
It's like avocado.
Look at it. It was avocado.
Cool.
What are we doing now?
Now we're going to twist it.
Squeeze it.
So with this. And this. And fly. Fly.
Will that be a yummy bread?
The blood is like green.
It's like green beans. It's like green beans. Maybe green peas.
It's called green peas. And I want to make mommy and daddy.
Okay, thank you.
The mommies and daddies. And the hair and the icing. So
What?
we're going to do with Alex. So this one.
Okay.
We need my mom. That's a little milk. Which one am I going to do? This one. It'd be a head.
It's gonna be the head.
Yep. So we'll do that one. Oh, that was a beep.
Yep, that's the microwave.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Not the microwave. It's not like the microwave.
What are we doing next?
Now we're going to use a dress. It's called Alex.
Ready to be baked. Here we go. We'll see how this tastes in a little bit. Here it is. And more fresh bread. Yumminess. Sandra will try the bread. Wow. How is it? What?
Good.
It's really good. You like the green bread? Alexandra has never eaten bread. She just recently realized it now that she's baking. Yay!
And my bread.
That's your bread, huh?
And my bread.
You eat your bread. But if it's not your bread, you don't eat it.
My bread.
Yum. Oh my gosh. Wow. Good job. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment.